right, we made it to the airport. It's super late right now. It's gonna be almost 12 a.m. I'm here with my girl.
Hi.
We're just having here some drinks before we board on the plane. Extremely exhausted. It's been a pretty hectic day, living a lot of work done so we can actually spend time, quality time on our trip to Cancun. But that's life, guys. That's life. You gotta work hard. That's the only way to achieve the big things that we always want. What are we gonna do now, babe?
To the gate.
We need to go to the gate. I'm gonna finish this drink right here. We're gonna go to the gate. We have a 3-hour-and-a-half flight to Cancun. Alright, you guys. 6 in the morning, and we just arrived to Cancun. The hotel shuttle, it's currently waiting for us. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, update on the trip. We did the check-in. It was a very smooth process. We waited a little bit. They showed us everything, the hotel, and we're currently here at the restaurant having breakfast. We're having this Greek yogurt bowl. My girl is having what's that, babe?
Nacai bowl.
Nacai bowl. And we're gonna spend some time here, eat. We're starving, and probably then we're gonna go to the rooftop. The room is not ready yet. So far, amazing. Let's see how the trip keeps going. This is the room. Let's quickly do a room tour. It's pretty spacious, it's pretty big. We have here the king size bed. I think this is a sofa that also transforms in a bed. We have a few tables, another chair here. We have a TV right there. Right here we have the bathroom. There's a bathtub. Didn't record the video yesterday because we were extremely tired, but we already have our staff here organized. Everything is here. The views of the riverside. And this, if you didn't know, this is actually the water from the ocean. All right, and just for you to know, we're currently staying in Hotel Xcaret Arte. It's one of the 3 hotels from Xcaret. Xcaret, it's like a super big group here in Mexico. They have 3 hotels. They have this one, Arte. They have the other one, which is called Mexico. And they have like the super expensive one, which is Casa de la Playa. That one is just like behind Arte. We're staying at this one. It's pretty nice. It's a 5-diamond hotel. Listen, and I want to take the time just to talk to you here for a little bit, because of course I know that my content is about e-commerce and dropshipping, and it's mainly going to be about that. It's going to be teaching you guys how to make money online with dropshipping. But at the end of the day, making money, it's just a way for you to do things, guys. It's just a way for you to improve your quality of life. It's just a way to do the things that you want to do whenever you want to do them, to be free, to be traveling wherever you want, whenever you want. And at the end of the day, that's the goal, right? I started dropshipping 6 years ago. It was super hard. It's hard for everyone at the beginning, of course. But my advice is just get out of your comfort zone, okay? And get to do things. Probably at the beginning, it's not gonna be like you want it to be. Of course, everyone wants to make money. Everyone wants to be as successful as possible, as fast as possible. But that's something that you guys need to understand, and that's a problem about this generation of people. We don't want to go through the process. We don't want to do the sacrifices, but we want everything. We want all the money in the world. We want all the trips. We want everything for free, but we don't want to go through the process. So my biggest advice, if you're watching this video right now, is just commit to the process and enjoy the process, okay? I mean, failure, it's actually something that you need if you want to improve yourself in life. With failure, you're gonna learn what not to do in the next time, and you're gonna do it better, okay? So failure is actually something that you need to take in a good way. You need to be extremely committed. Think about your life right now. Maybe you have a 9 to 5, maybe you are currently on school and studying, maybe you are in college, and the question is, do you want to do the same things over and over and over again and just waiting for something random to happen? Well, not, right? Best thing you can do is just dedicate to something, commit to it, trust the process, trust yourself. That's the most important thing about everything. You need to have trust in yourself, because if you don't trust yourself, who's gonna trust you? Trust me. So yeah, it's been 6 years doing this. It's been 6 years being an entrepreneur, but so far it's great. Literally living the life that I wanted to live 6 years ago when I started my entrepreneurship journey. Dropshipping has been an amazing vehicle for me to do the things that I want to do, but of course it's not gonna be the only thing I'm gonna be doing for my entire life. There's gonna be more things that I'm gonna start doing, but that's just it, okay? That's life, and it's all about getting out of the comfort zone, starting today. I mean, trying to get as much information as possible and just doing things, okay? If you haven't launched your first dropshipping store, go ahead and try doing it, okay? If it's not the most successful store, if you don't generate sales, it's fine. It's fine. You try it, you had your first experience, you're gonna know what to do for the second experience. If in the second experience you didn't make it neither, well, try the third time, fourth time, fifth times until you become successful. That's how things work in life, okay? Day number 3 here at Cancun. We woke up, at 7 a.m. Now we're going to have breakfast. We're gonna take the buffet. It's called Mercado San Juan. They say it's really good. There's like a lot of things to it.
To get my mind, yeah. You gotta say something to get my heart back, baby.
Okay, we just arrived to the buffet. I'm having a omelette, 5 eggs, cheese, chorizo, tomato, and I don't remember. And I have a Greek yogurt here. This is full of protein, guys. What are you having, babe?
I'm having an omelette, fruit, and cheese.
Okay. And this place, it's very nice, guys. Look. Alright, you guys, we're done being on the rooftop. We were there for 3 hours, and right now we're having lunch here in a restaurant at the hotel that's called Cantina. Of course, Mexican food. We're having tacos. Alright, I didn't know this. My girlfriend tricked me. These are insects. They're called chapulines. I think they're grasshoppers, right?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're grasshoppers. By the force, they're fried, so let's see. They're so salty.
Ay, son ricos.
Ah, yeah, they're good.
Look, back and I'm better than ever. I think I got a vendetta. Oh, now they call me, I seen them. All of those times getting severed. I told them all I get let up. They get not tired of me never. Give me a shot and I'll.
¿Qué tal está?
It's horrible, guys. Nah, just kidding. Delicious.
It's really good.
Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal? Buenas noches. ¿Cómo están? ¿Todo bien? Eso.
Hoy sí vas a comer huevito.
I love you. Eso.
Bueno, what are you gonna try?
I'm gonna try fried rice and
Don't all the time, I'm letting go. I wanna find someone to love. I feel alive. I think you know we're getting down, we're getting low.
it's not our last day, but it's the day before the last day here in Hotel Xcaret. Right now, I'm extremely hungover. We've been all day drinking at the rooftop, but yeah, it's been great so far. So let's see how it goes.
Porque lo que se busca es que ustedes tengan un choque de temperatura en ambos labios a la hora de probar la margarita.
Really good, really good.
What? ¿Está rico? Le dije algo. Súper suavecito, gran sabor.
Porque estos hablan en español.
Great taste. Súper. ¿Cómo dice? Suave. Smooth.
Okay, you guys, so this is the end. It's our last day here in Mexico, in Cancun, and we're leaving today. We're gonna be doing the checkout just right now in about an hour. The flight is like at 9 p.m. I think, and that's it. That's the vlog. It's my first time doing a vlog, so of course it wasn't the best of the best, but it's something new for me. I know it's gonna get better in the future. But anyways, I just wanna close the video with a few words, some motivational words for you guys, because of course my content is about making money online, about improving yourself as individuals, about dropshipping, e-commerce. But at the end of the day, dropshipping and e-commerce, it's just a way for you to live a better life, have a better lifestyle. That's what I wanted when I started doing dropshipping 6 years ago when I was 18 years old. Right now I'm 24, and honestly it's been amazing. It's been one hell of a process. Of course at the beginning it wasn't like this. The main thing I want to teach you guys here is that best things in life don't come that easy. Trust me. There's a process you guys need to go through. There's a journey you need to enjoy. There are failures you need to accept. There are obstacles that are going to be there on the way. But everything will make sense. Trust me. Everything will make sense. And one of the things that this generation of people don't understand is precisely the fact that you need to go through a process, that you need to enjoy the process first. You need to accept that you're not going to be where you want to be yet at the beginning. It's a bunch of things that you guys need to do. You need to become stronger. You need to become mentally stronger, because that's probably one of the hardest things about being an entrepreneur. Not just about dropshipping, e-commerce, but about everything. I mean, if you guys are starting whatever business you want to start, you guys need to build a bulletproof mindset. You're gonna be like receiving a bunch of no's. Many people is gonna say no at the beginning, but that's fine. That's totally fine. I mean, no one is gonna look at you at the beginning because you're not there yet. But what you need to understand is that you need to believe in yourself. Believing in yourself, it's the best you can do. And trust me, things will start to go the way you want them to be. Everything you do in life, every day, it's gonna sum up to your end goal, okay? So yeah, check out my views. These are my views right now. We're saying goodbye right now to Cancun. Honestly, this hotel was amazing. Everything was great. They hosted us in the best way possible. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. My first vlog. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Probably it's gonna be something about dropshipping. Yeah, just make sure to subscribe, comment, whatever you wanna comment. Turn on the bell for notifications, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care, peace.